I'm so excited. Today I was in my kitchen and I was thinking Grace is always bringing me food every time she comes to visit me. So I was coming to visit Grace and I thought I want to bring Grace food. So what can I bring her? That's not going to spoil on my way here. So I came up with this amazing kit. I think it's a great idea because I love Asian soups. And what I did is I took some dried mushrooms. Let me show you. This is called a snow mushroom. You could buy it at an Asian market or you can buy it online. And when it swells up after you boil it, it has a consistency of ramen noodles without the carbs and without the wheat. It is so amazing. You can literally replace your ramen noodles with this mushroom. Okay, you just chop it up into little slices. But I also put some noodles in there. Why? Because just in case Grace wants some noodles. And it comes with some earwood mushrooms, which are very nutritious, and a package of miso soup that adds a little bit of flavor that you could top it off after you're done cooking it. The good thing about this soup is that you can literally start your broth with 3 minutes of water, 3 cups of water, and any vegetables you want, whether that's carrots, onions, celery. And you simmer the mushroom, the snow mushroom, for 3 to 6 minutes, and let it, or actually, let's do 5 minutes, until it just gets all those flavors. And then you add your noodles and your earwood mushrooms. You let it simmer until everything's cooked for a few more minutes. And it comes with little spice packages, which I got her some seaweed, some wakame seaweed, some herbs, which is ginger, garlic, and onion powder. And then I got her some roasted sesame oil with some little bit of Thai chilies and more garlic because I'm a garlic freak. And when you put all these flavors together in layers, you're gonna have an amazing Asian soup that most restaurants can't even top.
And where would someone find this if they wanted one, Olivia?
Well, you can actually buy all of these ingredients at any Asian market. And if you don't have access to one, because I live in Llano, Texas, where we got 3,000 people, I had to drive an hour and a half to Austin to drop my kids off. And I took advantage of being in Austin, which is a fairly diverse city when it comes to cuisine. If you don't have access to it, you can always go online. So we want to look at dried earwood mushrooms, dried snow mushrooms, which is also called white fungus, because what you'll notice in a lot of Asian labels, they call everything fungus when it's mushrooms. And then just a plain simple, I would recommend, if you want noodles, to go for rice noodles versus wheat noodles. But it's up to you. Any other questions?
Are these going to be available at that farmer's market?
I am going to go ahead and start creating these amazing little gift soup packages, because I thought to myself, this is amazing. I should do this for other people.
Yes.
And I'm going to market this amazing little soup kit.
So if someone wants to find out which farmer's market to find it at, how can they contact you?
They can contact me. They easily contact me at 512-797-6444. Or, you know what, you can, I don't actually know where.
Food Prep Divas, hello, how about your website?
My mind just went completely blank. Mealprepdivas.com. You can actually sign up to subscribe for newsletters on any events that I'll be attending in our local farmers market. Thank you, Grace.